and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm here to bring you guys my Walgreens haul. Now, I came to Walgreens. Sweet, I just got my money, you guys. I went to Walgreens and be like, yo, I got this down. It's gonna be kind of a slow week. Like, when I started figuring out stuff, I'm like, oh, it's gonna be a slow week. But I ended up getting pretty good. It wasn't a moneymaker deal, but I ended up doing some really good things. So, let's just share with you guys what I got. There was something I was going to tell you, but I can't remember. So let's just dig in, Jennifer, dig in. So the first deal I got were either the Nice brand plates or these Complete Home plates. They're still the Walgreens brand. I don't know if they're getting rid of the Nice brand or not. They're just switching everything over, but it's still made by the same company. But these are their brand. These are, right now, they're buy one, you get one free. And they are $3.49. So you guys can get the bigger plates, you can get the smaller plates, you can get the bowls or the other smaller plates. There's like 3 different size plates. Sorry, I have my clipboard over here. But you guys would get these for like $1.74 a piece, which is an okay deal. They're still good, you know, durable quality. So I just wanted to share with you guys on that. I was like, do I want to get plates? And I'm like, yeah. I mean, these are actually kind of cool. I like the design of these. We are having like a mermaid themed party for Charlotte in May. So I thought these are kind of cool. Like, they kind of remind me of mermaids. So in case I need extra plates, we got that. Now, the deal I did kind of like this is, as you guys know, I collect Funko Pops. I collect some of them. I don't collect every single one, but I collect like mostly some of the like Beauty and the Beast, the Minions, Nickelodeon ones. Those are the ones I collect. But I saw something floating on Facebook where if you buy 3 of the 20-ounce bottles of Dr. Pepper, you guys would text Dr. Pepper to a number, and then it might take a while because of all the people texting them, but you'll get a text message back, and what they need you to do is take a picture of the UPC, and then they'll prompt you with other information. But you guys just do that, and you can get, when you buy 3 of them, you can get a free Funko Pop of like that guy, Justin is what his name was, from the very first American Idol. He's now like the Dr. Pepper guy that goes, ooh! Yeah, so you can get a free one if you guys want to do that. That's kind of cool. So these were originally 2 for $3.50 or $1.99 a piece. So I bought 4 of these. I am not a Dr. Pepper fan, but Graham is, so I thought, you know what, here you go, Dr. Pepper, and I get a free Funko Pop for, you know, spending, I spent like $6 for all that stuff. That's a great deal for a Funko Pop. And then they have it where if you buy 3 Dr. Pepper 12 packs, you can get a free t-shirt. So I might even do that. Right now they're 3 for $9.99. So we will see what we can do for that. So yes. Okay. So the next deal we got is some cereal. Oh, one thing I do want to mention to you guys is there is a free 8x10. I did post a video before I left the house to get it. So definitely go ahead and do it. You got until the 4th, which is a Tuesday, I think. But, whoa, this is not the greatest quality, but this is the photo we took on Christmas. So, whatever, you guys, I'm not complaining. It is free. So, definitely go ahead and do that. I did it on my computer. Some of you guys say you can do it on your app. So whatever you can. If it doesn't work on your app, then try your computer. So yeah. So the next deal we did is the cereal deal. Now these were $1.99. There is a $1 off a 2 digital coupon. There's also a 2 off a 4 digital coupon. So how much cereal you guys want, go for it. But I just did the 2 for $1. So again, you guys would get these for $1.99. Use that $1 off a 2 coupon. You would pay $2.98, but then you guys also want to make sure you have your savings start connected to your Walgreens card. Then you guys will get $1 off a 2 rebate from Savings Star. It does take 2 to 4 days to get it. I know at CVS I usually get my rebates from Sunday on Tuesdays, but Walgreens I've noticed I get them on Thursdays. So it could be like a 4-day wait for you guys, but pretty good deal. So these actually come out to be like 99 cents a box. That's a great deal for cereal. I got Miss Charlotte some Cheerios. She's really into food lately, so I'm like, you know what, have some Cheerios. The Renu, I got the Renus it. Did I not do my math? Yeah, I did. These were $7.99. The picture that I took showed it was $8.49 or $6.49. I can't remember. I think it was $8.49, but this week it's on sale for $7.99. They just never changed the tags for it. But you guys would get this for, you guys want to use a $4 off coupon that we got in today's inserts. There's also a $4 off printable coupon and a $4 off digital coupon. You guys also want to use a $2 off coupon in the Walgreens booklet or the IVC booklet. You get this for $1.99. Okay deal, not the greatest deal, but hey, if you guys want to go ahead and do that, I mean, when you can get it for more than 50% off, that's a great deal. Scope mouthwash. Now you can do this deal with the toothpaste, and then I think you can do it with the toothbrushes, but my toothbrushes are not on sale. I don't know if they're just not putting tags on or something. I mean, there is a Oral-B toothbrush Ibotta rebate, but I didn't know what was on sale, and I'm like, whatever, I'm not chancing it. So these were $2. Hold on, you guys, I lost my spot. Yeah, these were $2.99. I used a 5 off of 3 digital coupon. You guys would get these for $3.97. But then you guys will get a $3 register reward. So these come out to be just 97 cents. That's like 33 cents a piece or less than that. So pretty good deal if you guys want to stock up on mouthwash. Yes. One bag down. Sorry, I always like to, I put all my stuff in one big bag so then when I get home I can just put it in a spot. So I ended up getting the Olay. Now it's Olay body wash or the bar soap. You guys know how much I love this bar soap. I just love it. I love it. It's like my favorite soap for the last several years. It's one thing I just realized I have a ton of this, but you know what? I don't care. I need a ton more. So these were 2 for $12. You guys want to use 2 $1 off coupons that are in the P&G that we got last week. You guys would just pay $10 for the both of these, but then you guys will get 5,000 points, making it just like $5 or $2.50. Not the greatest deal, but if you guys are brand loyal, like I'm brand loyal for this stuff, I think $2.50 is an okay deal. Olay, I feel like we don't get cheap enough anyways, so go ahead if you guys need some bar soap. Now I did the Colgate deal. I feel like you guys shouldn't pay for toothpaste. If you do, that's okay, but usually you should always pay like a quarter or less. Sometimes we do have to pay more, sometimes. But these were $3.99. Now there's also another deal where it's $4.99. So it comes out to be the same deal, just 2 different things. But yes, $3.99. You guys want to use 2 $1 off coupons that we got in today's inserts. You guys would end up paying $5.98, but then you get 4,000 points, so this is a deal also where you guys can pay with points, but you guys would get these for $1.98 or like 99 cents a piece, so pretty typical for mouthwash and toothbrushes, I say. Yes. Okay, the next deal I kind of wanted to get is I want to surprise Graham with some chocolates. The Russell Stover chocolates are 3 for $1, so I just got these. These make great filler items if you guys need filler items for other stuff. And I forgot to get my candy bars. That's okay. That's okay. I ended up getting some Dawn dish soap just to share with you guys with this. This is just 99 cents. There's no coupons for it, but hey, 99 cents. Definitely go ahead and do that. Now here's a great deal if you guys can do this, an easy freebie. So the Nivea shave cream, these are $2.99. They're buy one, get one 50% off. We have a 2 off of 2 coupon that we just got in today's paper. You guys would pay $2.48 for the both of these, but then you guys can submit. Now every rebate is different. Some of you guys might have something, some of you guys might have different things. Every rebate is different. Why, I don't know why they do that, but I actually get $1.80 for each one. It's a limited 2, so I'm gonna wait for this to reset and probably do this deal again. But $1.80 times 2, that's awesome for Ibotta. So you guys would get this for $1.15 moneymaker if you guys have that Ibotta deal. There might be a little bit different, but I still think that is a great, great, great deal if you guys want to do that. Hold on. My bag's like getting full. Full. Okay, and then this is the last deal that I did. I ended up getting the Garnier Fructis. Now these were $3.99. They're buy one, get one 50% off. So you guys want to go ahead and do that. We have the 4 off of 2 coupon that we got in last week's inserts. So you guys would just get these for $1.98 or just 99 cents a piece. Okay, deal. I mean, this is your average price you guys get for shampoo and conditioner. So if you guys want to stock up on that, go for it. Sharing with you guys that deal, but yeah, that was my haul, you guys. My phone is going off. Husband is sending me a message. So my total came to $31.93. Now I didn't pay that price. I actually paid with Register Rewards, but you guys want to know what my price is before Register Rewards, but it doesn't really matter because I get employee discount sometimes, so it's not exactly what you guys would pay, but I still share with you guys that. So $31.93 minus the Register Rewards I used to pay for it. I ended up getting $14 worth of points. I got 5,000 points for the Olay, 4,000 points for the Colgate, and then I also had the, you know, the 10 times everything, and I ended up not paying with, I didn't pay with points at all because I need to start building my points up again. I used to have so much money and now I have like nothing, so want to build my points up, so I just paid with money with that. I ended up getting the $3 Register Reward that I currently lost. It's underneath my seat. So I got that, you guys. And then I also will be receiving $1 from Saving Star. I received $3.60 from Ibotta. So I got 25 items, you guys, for 41 cents a piece. I think that's a pretty good deal. They also had the McCafe coffee for $4.99, and then there is a $1 off coupon that you guys can use. I don't drink coffee. Graham rarely drinks coffee, so I didn't get it, but it comes out to be $3.99, and I do have a photo to share with you guys right here. So that's the photo if you guys want to do that deal with that coupon. But I hope you guys enjoyed my haul. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys all later. Bye-bye.